This is the Samsung Galaxy M33, and today we are going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, let me see whether the default settings will allow me to do that. So I'll go to the display, expand the available screen timeout values, and as you can see, the highest we can go by the default means of the system is only 30 minutes. Thus, we will need to use the help of the free third-party app that is called Caffeine. So let me quickly get it. Here it is. So let's wait for it to get downloaded and installed. Now all that it's left to do is to launch the app, and in here make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and as long as you do not close the app, so leave it in the background or in the recent section, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alright, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.